Think you've seen it all? Think again. From gravity-defying stunts to precision moves that will leave you breathless, witness the excavator operator skills the world thought were only in movies. Get ready to have your mind blown. An 18-ton excavator like the Cat 317 is no joke when stuck on ice. The weight alone makes lifting or pulling it a serious challenge. Ice buildup can freeze critical systems, tracks, boom, even the engine, rendering recovery even harder. Extraction can take hours, sometimes days. These experienced professionals extracted the excavator from the frozen ground without any further damage. It's the kind of quiet excellence that speaks louder than words. They command respect. Why not take it apart the way it was constructed? Use a crane, disassemble it piece by piece, some might think. But here's the catch. That's selective dismantling. It's expensive, and those materials? They're useless now. No point keeping what has no worth. Hold your breath. The 312th excavator is rolling sideways off the ramp. Will it be a jaw-dropping success or a total disaster? Stick around till the very end.
Aê, Dielzão, a rocha!
What do you think? Was that really the best landing? If it had eased up just a bit, it could have looked sharp and seamless. Instead, it hit hard. Again. And if that's the right way, maybe we need to challenge it. Got something better in mind? I'd love to hear your take. Whoa, did you catch that? My heart skipped a beat watching this unfold. Hats off to the geniuses behind this operation. The way everything moves, so smooth, so smart, makes you want to learn how it all works. The situation became critical when the fuel ran out, just as they were about to secure it. They had no choice but to land it near the road for refueling. To make matters worse, the yarder's brakes were damp, adding more difficulty. The engineer carefully eased it down, knowing that leaving it without fuel would block their plan to haul the other two cats across the canyon. Every move mattered.
And bounce around.
Some other ones are heavy. Use it all of it. That's why the haul back there.
Here's a twist you didn't see coming. Xerion versus K700 in Fahrenwald 2014. The K700 is the underdog, weighing just about 13 tons. But wait, the Xerion is built differently. Its weight is higher, plus it's carrying a rear weight on the axle. What do you think about the front weights? Do you think they'd tip the balance? Let's see who takes the crown. Uh-oh, no progress in sight? What do you think? Should they switch gears and go with something bolder? Seeing a ZX-10 tucked inside the bucket of an X5500-5 really highlights the sheer scale of these machines. That wide shot at the end was a smart move. It gave great perspective on their size difference. It was a fundamental error commonly made by beginners. Lucky guy made it out in the nick of time. Under the tight coordination of the two machines, the truck inched its way out of the hole. Simple, smooth, and effective. Like a well-planned chess game, no flashy moves needed, just the right timing, the right force, and the right technique.
Käsebäck, vad är
Watch in awe as the expert effortlessly reattaches the track to the Liebherr excavator, a task only the elite can master. Faced with a logistical challenge, their initial solution was to backfill part of the river, creating a temporary access route to the truck positioned near the bridge. A flawless team effort. Still, someone's wallet just cried a little over the fix-up and rescue costs. The approach and execution of the backhoe loader demonstrate high levels of control and precision. From the selection of the contact angle to the application of force, each aspect is optimized for maximum efficiency and safety. The Komatsu WB93R, with its exceptional mobility and high output, is perfectly suited for demolition operations of this scale. While it may appear excessive, the use of this 80-ton machine is fully justified. Concrete cast tracks cannot be broken using conventional jackhammers. They must be forcibly removed. Even a 50-ton excavator is insufficient for the task. Eberhard responded by developing a specialized tool tailored for this exact challenge. Smart move, right? And this is how this magnificent specimen cools off in its wild habitat. Drop a 1 in the comments if our video blew your mind. Your support fuels our creative fire.
No, c'è poco più che si è mosso.
This is a bold move, loading a Case 580M backhoe without a ramp. It's all about hydraulics and balance. The 580 million, a US-made machine, is no lightweight. Using the loader arms and stabilizers in tandem like this? Smart, risky, and clearly done by someone who knows their equipment inside and out. You've got to see this. Komatsu's hydraulic excavator is literally dancing. I'm not kidding. The way it swings and glides like it's got rhythm is insane. It's heavy machinery, but it moves like it's got a soul. Drop a comment below. What would you name this dance? You gotta love moments like this. An excavator calmly pulling a Kamaz truck through a river like a walk in the park. It's not just power, it's precision. Whoever's operating that rig knows exactly what they're doing. The video's almost over, but don't go just yet. What comes next might surprise you, in a good way. And that's a wrap for this thrilling journey. Share your thoughts with us in the comments, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more fresh content coming your way.